We have the best customers in the world that make the coolest products, and what our customers are after is students that come out of school prepared to go to work quickly, prepared to contribute, be team members efficiently and fast.
If universities don't train their students to face these challenges with Industry 4.0, it's really a threat to competitiveness. We offer universities our software and our expertise to help them understand this transition from Industry 3.0 to Industry 4.0.
What we want to do with the academic relationship and partnerships is make sure that the students know the art of the possible, so that then when they get to the employer of the future, they can bring that art of the possible into reality.
I think the biggest challenge facing engineering colleges across the country is balancing the theory with the application. My role as Associate Dean is to make sure students have the connection with industry to get the tools they need to be competitive once they graduate. So having a partnership with companies like Siemens has allowed us to jumpstart our student experience and transition into the workforce.
Siemens PLM software is really committed to work with the academia. We do that through relationships with universities, but also for us it's important because it enables product innovation in the ideation process.
A lot of university systems are still set up in their conventional silos. The mechanical engineering department, the aerospace engineering department, the electrical engineering department, the chemical engineering department. You need to be able to go across those domains comfortably.
It's not just designing a mechanical shape. It's how does that mechanical shape fit together with software, with the cloud, digital twin. How does that all fit together to make great, compelling products?
Working at the intersection of disciplines is becoming more and more critical to be successful for companies to implement digitalization.
Siemens has a whole suite of software that covers the entire PLM cycle. So we want to take everything and see if we can permeate into every classroom in conjunction with the simulation, industry experts working with us on actual problems with Siemens simulation software to demonstrate to the students.
To see designs go back and forth between these different disciplines, you're trying to find the most beautiful thing that you can still make money at. That's teaching kids an interesting problem way early in their career.
What we want to do is see how we can train them at the university that gets them up and running both in what the industry does with respect to software and how industry practices are done while reinforcing the academic concepts and the theory here. So it has to be a blend of both.
They realize we'll hire their students if they have the right skills. They want to teach them those skills.
Being able to depict a real-world environment through the competition, we engage them in these kinds of experiences. Then when they see them in the real world, it's like the aha moment.
And the tools that Siemens provided to my students, to my team, and the training with which they learn to use these tools has been fundamental to our success.
So students like it because it's practical. We like it because we find the students that are worth hiring.
This experience has given me a taste of reality, but more importantly, it's preparing me to become a better engineer in the future.
The first couple days that they were there at work, they were actually able to contribute almost immediately.
I knew how to work with Siemens products before leaving my university. I've been very fast-paced with my new job, my new role, and I've been learning so quickly that my boss is impressed. And it's all because I had previous experience with the software.
What's happening is a convergence of information technology, digital technology, and traditional product design. It's really rethinking how and what that experience will be.
There's so much innovation and so much new thinking about how to design products and make great products that's coming from universities, and so we really benefit from that.
What we at Siemens are doing is really focusing on the entire chain, the integration of ideas, the evolution of those ideas. That focus on completeness, that focus on depth is unique to us. I think that the world is going to be very exciting for this next generation if they're properly prepared.
If you can use Siemens software, you're ready for everything. You've already validated yourself.